everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you my HUMMER H2. Big storm coming. Leaves are falling. I'm going to upgrade my license light to LED light, and it's very simple and easy process. And without wasting any time, let's get started. To upgrade the license plate light is very easy and simple. As you can see, my Hummer has a spare tire. So the license plate can be located on your Hummer at different places. Open the lock and it will release. This is the half moon, which has a Hummer sign on it. It has one screw here, one on this side and one on this side. After removing these three screws, we push this out and this will comes out. You take out one screw from here, one from here, one from here, like these. On the license plate itself, there are two screws. We're going to remove those. This one has a metal cover on it. We'll remove that. That's another cover. These are the original OEM bulb. And let me turn it on very light. So I'm going to take that one out. So just be careful, it's going to get warm. This is the bulb we took it out, and I'm going to replace with the LED. It's a T10, it's a 12 watt. So I'm going to insert the LED. How bright light is. Look at this. What we had it before. This was the bulb. When you look at that nighttime, you can barely see it. Now I'm going to put back everything in the reverse order, the way we took it out. It's a bright sunny day and you still can see it. So that's how it's easy and simple to upgrade your license light to LED light. And if you like this video, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps. I'll list the product information under my description, so please check it out in case if you want to upgrade your Hummer. So thank you, bye-bye. This is how it looks at night time. It's very bright. If you look, this is very bright.